Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you less important updates about MoCoin. Friends, finally we have a massive rally also in MoCoin in entire crypto market also, just like BTC also crossed $90,000 right now when I'm recording this video. BTC is trading about $94,000 here, Ethereum $18,000. Maybe when you watch this video, price can be very also, but you can see last 24-hour MOG is pumped by 16% here. 0.6 times $0.58 current price. You can see, friends, last 7 days 31% pump. Last 14 days 86% pump here. So massive rally in MOG coin. Current market right now $219 million. This is good. $21.4 million trading volume in last 24 hours, because this is already Coinbase listed meme coin. It's still not on Binance. Maybe its Binance listing is possible. We can see its listing on Binance too, but it's still not on Binance. So trading volume is good. You can see, friends, Base and Ethereum ecosystem, Kathy meme coin, Murad pick category coin. They are 85% down than its all-time high, 12,000% up than its all-time low. Coin has already killed three zeros. Okay, 5 months ago when hit all-time high price, and maybe we can break its all-time high again and make a new all-time high. Bitget has listed, Gateway UMEXE, Kraken has listed, and fresh Coinbase is here. Exchange number 14th is Coinbase, where has 7.1% trading volume, which is very low, but it's good that is Coinbase is already listed this coin. So maybe it's possible that we can see more listing on Binance also, because already on Coinbase, already on Kraken. So it's possible that this Kathy meme coin, this Murad category coin, can be next listing for Binance also. And friends, right now, as we have again massive rally for meme coins, just like Turbo, Fartcoin, and many other meme coins are more than 200% pump in last 24 hours. So it's also possible that we can see some massive pump for Moog also. You can check out his website. It's all further details. Okay, slide trading volume is on website. You can see $22.3 million trading volume. Spot trading volume. Market cap is 229 million dollars. You can join their social communities also. Okay, Mog is very good meme coin. These are the central exchanges where this coin is already listed. You can see, friends, Kraken, Coinbase, Bybit. Okay, huge central exchange listing for this coin also. Buy from dexes just like Base and Ethereum Dex. So friends, now my price prediction about MOG is that in short term, definitely we can see massive rally, at least 2 to maybe 3x profits from MOG. Maybe its market cap can hit in short term up to 600 million here. But friends, in long term, because it's amazing meme coin, Murad category meme coin, and Coinbase listed meme coin, so it's possible that more can hit at least 20 to maybe 30 billion dollars market cap. Okay, because recently many meme coins shocked us. Okay, within just 24 hours, 5 to 10x profit. So now it's possible that we can see same profit from Moog also in short term and also in long term. I think, because I'm not buying any cryptocurrency for short term, I'm my focus, okay, on mostly for long term. Okay, I'm in crypto market for long term, not for short term. I'm investor, I'm not a trader. So that's why my price prediction for long term about Moog is at least 20 to maybe 30 billion dollars. Okay, still we are early in this coin. No doubt this coin is pump. You can see, friends, 86% in last 24 hours, but sorry, last 14 days. But still, I think this pump is nothing. If you buy this coin for long term, in long term, definitely this coin can perform amazing, because when I see, okay, SPX, another Murad category meme coin, Popcat 25% pump. Many meme coins are 25% pump. You can see, friends. Okay, even so, that is not a meme coin. Layer 1 chain is 25% pump here. Okay, and Deep Book 73% pump. Cerebro 152% pump. Okay, 152% pump. Fart coin I shared you, I think around $0.25. Okay, $0.25 right now, 1.75 dollars price. This is awesome, friends. Ethereum 10% pump. So still this is not bull run, because still we are almost I think $20,000 down than BTC's all-time high, when BTC will again made a massive hype and make a new all-time high, and we see a massive super cycle meme coins mega bull. Okay, this is just a tailor. Okay, this is just a trailer of meme coins megabalon. But when we start official super cycle meme coins megabalon, at that time definitely Mog has potential to be the next 20 to 30 billion dollars market cap coin. And if you're not joined my Telegram channel, you can also join my Telegram channel where I provide you all latest cryptocurrencies updates here. Okay, and many videos information here. So link in description. You can also join my Telegram channel.